Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, where we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a house. First, let's draw a triangle shape for the roof. It's actually an incomplete triangle, just the angle. Now, we're gonna build the wall down and then draw a very long horizontal line for the base of the house. Now let's draw the roof, the right one, and then we go down to build the wall and another roof on the left, just the same from the ones on the right, and then go down. That's the wall on the left. Now we're gonna draw the door and then the handle, just a circle. Next, we're gonna draw the window next to the door and give a semicircle, and let's draw the pattern of the window. Next, we're gonna draw another one at the top, a circle window, and it helps when it's daylight and the light come into the house. Draw one more window on the left, and we're gonna draw the pattern, just little squares in each of the corner of the window. The right part of the house is for the garage. Draw a square or rectangle and then draw lines inside of the shapes. Next, we're gonna draw the tile, the pattern tiles of the roof, the right one and the left one. And next, we're gonna put some more decoration, clouds, and the sun, and also some bushes at the right and the left one, and some grass. And now it's done. We are ready to color. Let's start coloring the roof at the front purple. Use the same color for the circle window and the semicircles, and then for the pattern use dark blue. Actually, it's light shades of dark blue, and the bottom of the door it's purple, while for the roof we're gonna use brown. It's a little bit red. It's not maroon, it's still brown, but it has red tone in it. Then color the window light blue, and for the clouds also blue, any shades of blue, while for the sun it's yellow, and give shine, just some lines around the sun to make it look like the sun is shining. And then we're gonna color the garage gray, and for the bushes we're gonna use dark green and light green, while for the grass it's just any shades of green. And then color the handle on the door a little bit darker. You can always color the house in any colors you like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.